multiply with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Table 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. Thank you, and may God bless you.